Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove Reels from profile grid. On the Instagram profile grid, all posts and Reels are displayed by default. Users have the flexibility to choose which specific posts or Reels appear on their grid, enabling them to add or remove content as desired to tailor their profile to their preferences. The steps to remove Instagram Reels to your profile grid: open the Instagram application on your smartphone. Access your profile by tapping on the small profile picture located in the bottom right corner. Then, navigate to the Reels section. Tap on that. Choose the reel you wish to delete. Now, tap on the three-dot menu icon situated in the bottom right corner and select Manage. Then select the Remove option. Previously, the Instagram app lacked the functionality for users to re-add their removed Reels to their profile grid. These limitations cause inconvenience for both users and creators, often requiring them to resort to third-party applications for a solution. To address this issue and offer users more control over their content, Instagram has introduced a new feature. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.